coffee maker. I usually have like two. Oh my God, can you hear her? She just opened the gate. This is the first time she's done this, by the way. Savannah, you're supposed to be sleeping. Come here. We're trying to make coffee for my YouTube video and she's supposed to be sleeping. Say goodnight, everyone. Look at my phone, see? Say goodnight. You're supposed to be sleeping, right? Right?
But there was a prize.
Yeah, the prize is if you stay in bed. Not if you keep getting up.
Yeah, that's not for little girls who get
Okay. So if I bring you the if we give you the prize in the morning, will you go to bed?
Yes.
Okay. All right, say goodbye. Say au revoir. Ciao. Say you got this. Oh my gosh, here. All right, let's do ice, milk, the syrup, and then the espresso. That's how a macchiato is. We're gonna do that. So let me get some ice in the cups, and then I will pour our oat milk in. Okay, so the time has come now. The espresso is ready on the stove. I have this, actually, this is so good. It's like a vanilla cinnamon sugar that I have. It's from McCormick. It's vanilla in here. It's gonna be bomb.com. So I basically have flavored oat milk that's basically flavored like an apple crisp right now. And now we're going to pour the espresso on top. I feel like this is always like the money shot when you're making, oh fuck, that's hot. It's like one. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm dying right now. And just let it like do its thing and be dramatic and kind of cascade down. This one, the friggin' focus is whack. I think I'm just an inexperienced YouTuber. A little bit more. It's very, yep, Beauty Guru, 100%. It's very satisfying to watch the milk kind of interact with the drink. Does that sound weird? But put some more in this one. And that's it. So you can kind of, give it a little 1-2 stir to kind of help it swirl in. Oh wait. Oh my God. This. On top. Just a light gallon of it, no big deal. Just sugar dying on top. I'm obsessed. And the tip that I have is using boiled cider. So you don't even have to cook it. You can just, it's literally cider that's been reduced down and boiled. So that's another really great option for this. It tastes like an apple crisp. Do you know why? Because I'm better than Starbucks, that's why. We used ginger, star anise, cinnamon, lemon peel, brown sugar, honey, apple cider, reduce that all down. You really can't beat, in my opinion, a homemade syrup in terms of the stuff you can get at your local coffee shop if they pre-buy it. If you make it yourself, it's gonna taste so much better. Use a great quality coffee like Kaha Coffee Roasters. This is the apple crisp iced macchiato that I made from yours truly, and I'm telling you guys, do a side-by-side comparison. Make my version, have their version, do a taste test and tell me which tastes more real like apple, which is more authentic, which coffee tastes better. I'm very curious to see your opinions. I'm going to enjoy this. Yeah, it's 8 p.m. So I'll be up at 3 a.m. probably on Instagram Live spiraling. Time. Bye, Felicia.